I've been feeling so good. I need that. Well, I've been feeling really bad. But past couple days, I've been feeling good. I've actually started therapy and doing other things for my mental health, and it's working. I'm already like on day 5 and it's working. And so I'm in good spirits and I am ready to film this video for you. I am so excited because this has been long in the making. We have been working on YNBB Volume 2 for literally 2 years since the start of COVID. When we finished YNBB1, we started working on YNBB2 and we launched YNBB1 like when COVID started. So it's insane, but nudes are literally like the hardest colors to make because the undertones have to be so perfect and then it has to be like a gradient and it's like this whole thing. But YNBB2 volume here is officially here. Doesn't this look like a big like chocolate box? Like there's bonbons in here. Look at that glaze. Ooh, that chocolatey glaze. We also, by the way, have YNBB stickers that are gonna knock your socks off. But before I get into that, I have a crazy announcement. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you need to follow me on Instagram. I know I'm not hip and cool anymore and I'm not super active and I'm like literally a boomer. Not literally, but I feel like a boomer, especially on social media. But just in case you don't, my mystery palette officially launches on August 4th. I have been wearing the same eyeshadow palette in my last like 5,000 videos and you guys are always like, come on, spill the beans. And so my Day 2 Disco collection with Makiage officially launches August 4th next week and I could not be more excited. I've never worked harder and longer on literally anything in my life. Blood, sweat, and tears. Especially tears. You guys have no idea. I have an entire video revealing the whole collection, going through all the shades, swatches, names, inspiration, theme. I have all that good stuff coming to you tomorrow on my channel, Friday. So come back tomorrow so we can talk all about the mystery palette and the mystery eyeliners. That's right. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Actually, speaking of wait, I'm going to link the Disco Fox waitlist down below. Please join the waitlist so you can get your hands on this collection. And yeah, definitely go check that out. Definitely come back tomorrow. It's so exciting. I am wearing the Disco Fox palette on my eyes right now, like I have been forever. But okay, it's a very busy week, back-to-back weeks here. But I know what you nail lovers are really here for. Let's talk YNBB. So our YNBB Volume 2 collection, oh boy, I almost dropped it. Officially launched today on the Lights Lacquer website. Of course, I will link the website down below. We are, of course, selling the PR box, and the PR collection does come with the stickers inside, so you get the full YNBB experience. I'm also doing a special giveaway for you guys here on YouTube. Lots of links down below. I always do a giveaway for like my YouTube subscribers because we do one on Instagram, but I like to do one just for my subscribers here. So I'm gonna link that down below so you have a chance to win the whole PR collection. But this is what it looks like. Oh my god. This does something to me, guys. It literally tingles my Pikachu. You know, like when something gets you like so excited and I love that so much and you feel a tingle in your Pikachu. That's what this does for me. It's like I can't explain it, but the box is seriously so adorable. I love this whole slide out thing. I swear it's like a box of bonbons. So cute. I love it so much. So these are, as you can see, a bunch of nudes for a bunch of different skin tones. If you don't know, YNBB stands for your nails but better, your nude but better, whatever you want it to stand for. But we definitely wanted to go a warmer route with this collection because YNBB1 is pretty cool toned. Like it has a lot of gray undertones, like some of the shades. I think Emma is the only one that's not cool toned in that collection. So we wanted to do something a little bit more on the warmer side because, you know, people like different things and we want to give different options. YNBB3 is going to be sheers, like just sheers, but with different undertones as well. Like cool tones and pinkies and, oh, so good. Okay. But YNBB2, I would say, is more on the warm side, and it is a little bit lighter than YNBB1. Like, Aurora is lighter than the lightest shade in YNBB1, but it still goes very deep. Honestly, these colors look so beautiful on so many different skin tones. I'm literally wearing all of the shades right now on my hands, except for Nora, because I wanted like one on each finger, and then there was 6, and then I got nervous, so I didn't do Nora. Let me give you a little close-up on this, because it is so cute, because I'm wearing the nail stickers on top. Look at this. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. These are the cutest stickers in the world. Excuse mine is like a hot mess. It's a little used, but you get the cutest little trendiest stickers, these little teddy bears, checkered print hearts, flowers, daisies, and the colors just match so well with this collection and YNBB1 as well, because we also have some cool tone shades in here. So these stickers perfectly pair with all 12 gals. So I don't want this video to be too long. You know I ramble. I'm gonna go through all these shades quickly. Oh my gosh, I just remembered. Before I get into these shades, I have to tell you the most important thing. We currently have YNBB1 for 50% off on our website. 50% off, which is freaking huge. And we did that because we wanted people to have a chance to build on their collection after rebrand, because YNBB1 did launch before we rebranded the entire brand. So I thought it would be a great idea to give you guys at least a chance to like buy some older nudes. Maybe your Mila is on its last leg and you need a restock on YNBB1. It is currently 50% off, but it is for a limited time only. So jump on that YNBB1 while you can, because she won't be that cheap forever. She won't. Also, speaking of sales, I have to mention our YNBB sets are also on sale. We're having 25% off Nora, Isabella, and Aurora. So definitely check out our YNBB label pieces also. Okay. Let's get into these colors. So Aurora is the lightest shade, and like I said, she is lighter than Mila. This one is like the perfect light bone color. It's like an antique cream. It is darker than Dream Street. I see a huge difference when I wear it on my toes for some reason. Like this looks so much darker on my toes. It's kind of looking a little bright and washed out in my lighting right now. There is no sun out. It is raining outside so bad. Like it is black outside. So if the lighting is a little harsh, I'm sorry. I'm just working with studio lights. But yeah, like I said, Aurora is like an antique cream. So good. If you love really light nudes, you are going to love this shade. So like beyond, it's gonna be your favorite shade. It's gonna be your favorite shade. I honestly think I like it more than Dream Street, which is rough because Dream Street is everything. But I just love the undertone in this one more. But you know, it's personal preference, and you can never have too many nudes. It's like reds. I can have 78 red nail polishes and they're all different. It's the same with pinks and blues. Let me shut up. Next up we have Cecilia. Shout out to Paul Simon because I love that song so much. And Cecilia and the Satellite. If you guys have never heard the song Cecilia and the Satellite, you need to listen to it, okay? So good. But this is the second lightest shade in the collection, and this one is like almost like a creamy suede canvas. It's so beautiful. It's definitely warmer than Matilda. It doesn't have like that gray undertone, but it's still a very light nude. I'm wearing it right here. So beautiful. You need this one in your life, okay? You need this one in your life. No matter what your skin tone is, you need that one in your life. Okay, so next up we have Thea. I actually named Thea after the sister in the CW show Arrow. I used to be obsessed with that show, and she was one of my favorite characters, and I just loved her name from the moment I heard it. It's so pretty. So yeah, this is Thea, and this one also reminds me of like suede, like a suede shoe, like brown suede shoes, nude suede shoes. That's what this reminds me of. It's the shade I'm wearing on my middle finger right here. It's so beautiful. Oh, and I love Thea's personality so much. Every time we do a YNBB collection, since we name them all after girls, we give them personalities and zodiac signs. And Thea's a thespian, and her playlist is awesome. If you don't follow Lights Lacquer on Spotify, you should. But yeah, she's the thespian and she's a Cancer, and we love her. Cecilia is the painter, and she's an Aries. She's wild. And Aurora just like writes poems, and she's a really deep Scorpio, you know? Okay, next up we have Nora. If you are a warm gal, if you love mustards, those kinds of nudes that are super warm, heavy yellow undertones, you are going to freaking love Nora. This color is like if a Temporary Madness and Caramello had a baby. It's that perfect in between shade, but it's obviously a little bit more nude. Like the undertone isn't as like mustardy olive as those. She's definitely a little bit out there, a little wild and bold compared to the other shades. But hey, Leos are bold. Nora is a hopeless romantic, and truly, like, I just relate to her so much, okay? Except the bold part. Like, I want to stay in my cave. I don't want to be a Leo out there having fun, and just leave me in my box. Okay, so my battery just died, and I had to go charge it for an hour, so I don't remember the last thing I said. But I'm pretty sure I was talking about all the wonders of Nora, which, by the way, I named her after Nora Jones and all her delicious romantic songs that I love so much, even though I think Nora's name ends with an H. And you know, this Nora's had to end without the H. Because you guys know all my YNBB names have to end with A. It's like a thing. And so this is Nora, and we love her so much. But you know who we love a little more though? My hair is so greasy, I need to wash it. You know who we love a little bit more though? We might love her the most though. Actually, this is my favorite shade. If I had to pick one shade in the entire collection that was like my #1, it's Julia. Guys, this is the shade that pretty much started it all. When it came to YNBB2, we found this picture of Kylie Jenner. She was holding like this little tiny leather purse, and it was this brown cognac leather deliciousness color that we were like, oh my gosh, we need a shade like that. And we tried to match it perfectly. Like, this is a cognac dream, okay? Brown cognac leather dreams. I'm wearing it right here, and it is a stunner. My favorite shade. Shout out to the song Julia by Mount Joy. One of my favorite songs of all time. If you haven't heard that song, those big brown eyes. I don't know what I ordered, but she's smiling like I can't afford it. I love that line. Oh, and by the way, Julia, of course, is a Libra, okay? She's rocking all the cutest shoes, all the cutest purses, and she's a fashionista, my friends, okay? She knows how to dress to impress. Okay, and then the deepest shade in the collection, her name is Isabella. And I'm not gonna lie, a big part of me named the shade Isabella because I know there are a ton of Isabellas out there and I would want a nail polish named after me. So this is for all you Isabellas out there, which is probably not the same I could say for Cecilia or Thea. I wanna say that there are much fewer of you guys out there, but to all my Isas and Bellas and Isabellas, this is for you. I love this shade so much and I actually like her a lot more than I love Olivia, which is saying a lot because I love deep, 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 deep browns like Olivia, but there's something so chocolatey about this shade and so warm and delicious. I feel like even if you're not into browns, like this one is so flattering. It looks so beautiful on like almost everyone. I truly, truly love her so much. And I also love the song Isabella by Charles Aznavour. I can never say his name. Such a good song. So yes, definitely come check out our YNBB PR box collection. It comes with the stickers inside, of course. But if you want to bundle and save instead, we do offer the 6 shades in a discounted bundle. So definitely go check that out. But I think that's it, guys. I cannot wait to get back into filming. And I know I've been saying that, but for real, I'm going to bring you all the freaking tutorials, all the favorites videos, all the old school beauty stuff. It's going to be great. So come check us out. Check out YNBB and come check out me and Makiage. And let's get painted and makeup. What? I should go now. It's getting late. But yeah, guys, I love you so much. So excited for YNBB2. It's been such a journey to get here, but I love nude nail polishes so much. They get me like really, really excited. I love you guys so, so, so much. That completes it. No, I gotta say that in the right order. That completes this video, guys. I love you so, so, so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.